Hi everyone, welcome back to my channels. And today in this video, we are going to create one interesting project. Okay, actually we have created one project, but we have using only HTML. We had created that project, right? So in this video, we are going to apply some styles, right? Because we have learn CSS, right? So it's a time to implement that CSS, right, in this project. Okay, great. So let's get started with our session. So I will show you the first which project we had created in previous video. Okay, so this is the project and this is the code of our project. Okay, great. So so this is the code of our project and I will show you the output. Okay. So this is the output of our project. Okay, so in previous video, uh, in previous project video, we have created this project and we have created this project only using HTML. Okay, so now we are going to apply some style and make this simple project to make it's look like the website. We will make this simple page to it. We will convert this simple page into a web page, look like a web page. Okay, great. So using some style sheet we are applying. Okay, so we are going to create look like some good card. Okay, great. So let's get started with our coding part. Okay, so here this is a simple HTML code and I have just created one external CSS because we are going to apply CSS, right? So we need one CSS file for that. Whatever the CSS we are storing in file, right? So we are using here external CSS. So I had already linked. Oh yes, I had already linked this external CSS file with our HTML. Okay, so using a link tag. Okay, great. So we can test. Okay, first, whenever you have linked your external file with your HTML file, the first step you need to do is test your external file is linking with your HTML file or not. Okay, so how you can test? You can simply write like this body and give background color red for testing purpose only. Okay, I'm giving this background. You can see, right? So we had successfully link our externals file with our HTML. Okay, so I'm going to remove this code because it is just for testing purpose. So okay, so now actually start with our code. Okay, great. So first, right. So our project now it's look like this. Okay, so we need to create like a card. So okay, and we want to apply some style to make this simple HTML document to beautiful web page. Okay, so how can we do? So first, we are target the whole body. Okay, so first we can do. Okay, so first, whenever you have apply styling to CSS, so first thing you always do. Okay, or we can say that it's a default setting. So that's a universal selector and give margin 0. Okay, then padding 0 and then box sizing border box. Okay, so this is the default setting and you always follow this. Okay, in your project. Okay, so it helps to style your document very proper way. Okay, it help you. Okay, great. So now we are targeting body. First of all, we want some background color at the at our web page. Okay, so we want background color, so we can use a body, right? And we want background color. So suppose if you use background color, right? And or suppose simply you use background, okay, and you use linear gradient. Okay, great. So in linear gradient, we need from two, two right or two left? Left. Why it's not came? Greedy. Two right. Okay, then color. Which color we want? We want red, comma, hello. You can see, right? It's not looking good. Okay, so first, the linear gradient is useful. It is used when, suppose if you want the mixture of two different colors, right? When you want to use the mixture of or combination of two different colors, so you can use a linear gradient over there. Okay, so it's not looking good. We can change the color to red to some this color and this color to some this color, and now we can see, right? Yeah, now it's good, right? Yeah, we have make a good background. Okay, great. Okay, so we had uh, change our background, right? Great. Now we are targeting the main content, right? Because all our content are inside a main content, right? So we can target to the main content first. Okay, so main content, right? So I will give some width and height. Okay, so max width, I will give max width. Max width 560 pixel. Okay, okay, great. 560 pixel or okay. So I will change the background of okay. So background color I'm going to change aqua blue. So suppose if you take no. Okay, okay, okay. 560 max width or we are going to give 700. Okay, 700 pixel. You can see it. Great. Okay, great. So we have changed the background color. Aqua. Okay, no issue. It's fine. Okay. So max width 700 pixel, right? And um height. Okay. So how much height do we need? We need 100 village. You can say that. Is it fine? Not fine. 100 700 pixel. We can. Yeah, it's good, right? Now it's look like good. Okay, great. Okay, so now we are going to. Oh, okay. So we want this our whole main tag at the center of our page. Okay, so how can we do? Using a display flex, we can do. Okay, display flex and mention. Okay, when you mention display flex, right? Suppose if you. Oh, okay, okay. Don't give display flex to main. Okay, so we are going to give display flex to the body. Okay, suppose if you give display flex and then you can see, right? Display flex align item, right? Align item center, right? And then justify content center, right? Great. You can see we are at the center of our page, right? uh but it's not look like a center of page because we have give the uh, we are not give the width, right? So, okay, we can do one thing. Suppose if we apply this width and height to body, we can say what things. I think not things not working properly. Okay, great. No worry. So it's suppose we want this main tag at the center. So suppose if we apply align item, not align text align, not text align. Suppose if you apply, what will be? Okay, you can see right the text, whatever the text comes inside that our main tag, it comes under it align at center, right? You can see that. Suppose we need from top, so we can apply margin to the main margin top. Suppose if we give margin top 30 pixel, no 30 pixel, we need to give more. Yeah, now it's look like very good. Okay, right, great. Okay, so we need to sharp the corner of our main content. So using a border radius, we can do that. Border radius, we'll give 10 pixel. You can say right. Great, great. Okay. Okay, so now we are targeting the image inside the main content box. So how can we target? We're going to apply some style to the images, right? So image tag inside a main, right? So we can write like this, image tag, right? Okay. So first of all, we want image width is 100%, right? And width is 100% and height to height to we want mm, 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 mm. By default it's look pretty right, but if we change to 60 pixel, it's very small here. No, not 60 pixel. Suppose if you give 120 pixel. No. By default look pretty right. So we are not give. We can change the height to 450 pixel. Right. Now it's pretty right. Okay, suppose okay. Um, you can do one thing. Okay, suppose if you give border, you can check if suppose if you give 2 pixels solid border. Which color? Hello, we can try. Okay, so I think it's looking pretty. Okay, we are here. We are not using. We are not using the width 100%. Okay, we are going to use to 450 pixel. 450, not 450, 500 pixel. Okay, great. So not 550, 550. I think good. Okay, great. So 550 look good and pretty. Okay, great. So what we want? Okay, we want margin from top. So we are going to give margin top 10 pixel, right? Or 20 pixel. Right, great. I think it's now good. Right? Or we can do one thing also here. We are going to remove the border. It's not difficult edge. We can apply some border radius to sharp the corner. 10 pixel. Let's look 10 pixels. Okay, it's fine, right? It's fine. Great. Okay, we apply some shadow. We can apply, right? So suppose if you apply shadow, box shadow, box shadow, or text shadow. Main image is a box here. Main, I think. So we need to apply text shadow, text shadow. What is the syntax of text shadow? We can we can check on Google. Okay. So what what is the syntax of text? We want to apply shadow to the image. Okay, so how to add a shadow to an image? So box shadow you can apply, like, so you can just copy this code and go to your and box shadow. Mm, Which code? This box shadow code we are going to copy and right. We need to change the box shadow color to the okay, you can see, right? Yeah, from this right side and the bottom of our image, we have applied some shadow, right? Click. So this is the syntax of shadow property, right? So we have applied some sizes, box shadow 8 pixel, 15 pixel, and this is the RGB color we had applied, right? Great, okay, great. So it's look very good, right? Okay, we want to give margin. I think good. I think good. Okay. Suppose if you give margin 30, not 30. Okay. Suppose if you want to increase the height, not height, width. Okay. Yeah. Now it's pretty. Okay, great. Okay. So now I'm going to target the name John Doe. Okay. That means heading. We are going to target heading. So we select H1, H1, right? I'm going to give color, right? So color, in color property we have light blue, John Doe. Yes, it's looking pretty, right? Okay. Suppose if you want to uh increase the font size of your heading, so you can do like 10 pixel. It's small, 10 pixel. Suppose if you give 50 pixel. Yeah, that's good, right? Good. Okay, so 10 pixel, right? And we want some letter spacing, right, in between the words. So 2 pixel. Yeah, we need to change the font weight of our. Suppose if you use by default, let's vary font weight. Suppose if you give 200, Right. So John Doe, yeah, it's looking pretty great. So, what can I do with the heading of we give color, letter spacing, font. We can give text shadow. Text shadow. We can. Actually, I don't remember the syntax. So again, I go to browser, right? And uh, want to apply text shadow on into onto you can search like this, right? You can go W3 school and you can search here, right? Text shadow 2 pixel. It's very simple, right? Text shadow first. We to which position we want to give, right? Top, bottom, left, right. So this is 2 pixel and 2 pixel, and it's top, bottom, left, right, I think. And this is the color, which color we want, right? Suppose if we use this color, text shadow we are going to use in our project, and we will see what is the output. Yes, great. Oh, pretty, right? Pretty. Or we can, it's looking very good, right? Great. So we are going to close this, and we are going to dark this font, right? Now it's look good, right? Great. Okay. Let us spacing. Perfect. Okay, now we are going to target to the paragraph class bio. So bio. Okay. First of all, give some font size. Okay. Font family. So which one font family? What am I? What am I? Yeah, it's look great, right? Great. So when you apply, okay, we are apply font family. We are not apply, right? So we can apply font family over here also. Okay. So which font family we are going to apply, right? So it's good. Now it's look very good. Uh, yeah, great. Okay, so font family. Oh yes. Now we want to increase the font size, right? Font size we want some 20 pixel. Yeah, it's look very awesome, right? One thing we can do, we can decrease the height of our image. Okay, so height is suppose if you mention 400 pixels, right? Great, great. Okay, so now, okay, so suppose if you want to give width, right? So width, so, no, it's it's very small. I think 100 pixel not good. 400 pixel, 500 pixel. Yes. Okay. We need to text around suppose enter. Okay. It's not center. Okay. Suppose if you apply display block. and then apply text align center. No, okay. You can do one thing. Apply display flex property here and change text align center align item center. Not working. Why it's not working? Okay, suppose okay. No issue. We can do remove this. Okay, motion. We are applying margin. Okay, margin we want from left side margin left 20 pixel 40 pixel is good enough, right? Okay, great. Now it's looking very good. Okay, uh, awesome. Okay, then we have a email ID, right? So in email ID, okay. So we are going to target email dot email, right? First, uh, we want to remove the underline from the email. So we use text decoration underline. Oh, sorry, none. Why it's not removing uh, text decoration? You can search removing underline from text. How to remove an underline from the text? Okay, text decoration, right? And text decoration. I'm also using text decoration, right? Text decoration. Text decoration. Where it is? Okay. Text decoration none, right? I'm also using the text decoration none property. So what? Why it's not applied to my email? Okay, I think there is an issue with the selecting the element, right? For that reason, I do email, right? So email means inside a mail, right? So we can first target main dot main email email. Oh no. Inside email we need to target anchor dialog, right? So inside email we are going to target anchor, right? We want remove underline from link, right? So we can use now it's gone, right? It, we can speak little bit. 10 pixel. very small. 20 pixel, good enough. Great. We can do one thing. Suppose if we use HR in between your, uh, suppose if you use here, mm, after para, we use HR tag. No, I think it's not look good. No, sure. Wait. Okay, so we want to. We want some space in between, right? So we can give margin from all sides. 10 pixel, right? And okay, great. Okay, we want. Okay, this which one? This para, right? A dot image. So we are going to apply margin to dot image only. Okay, remove this dot image. You can see that. Now we get okay. Now we have a two social media links. So we are going to convert this link into the button. Okay. So how can we do? First we okay social links a tag, right? Social link a tag. Copy. Okay. So we want uh background color first. First time we are going to use background color. So which background color is good? No. Which background color I'm going to use? This one no. This one no. This one no. This one no. Mm, mm, mm. This one no. Mm, we can do this. Go. No, not good, right? Suppose if you are going to give this color, right? Okay, great. We can give some width. So width is 20 pixel. 30 pixels. Mm, 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 mm. Social links anchor tag, right? Social links anchor tag 50 pixel. Okay, we want to first of all we want to remove this underline. So we use text decoration and right. Great. The color of so we can change color to select the black. How it's look good, good, good. Hmm. You can take a justify space between the if you use no, suppose if you use space around. Oh no, okay, leave it. we can do one thing. Okay, suppose if you use margin 10 pixel, right? Great. We are going to give a margin 20 pixel. Okay. Okay. Suppose if you give 100 pixel, not working right with but I think not working here. Suppose if okay, don't worry. Okay, if you want to change the color, not give black. Okay. Right. Okay, formatting button. You can do social links to the width. Okay. You give social link some width. 30 pixel. What I think 10 pixel. Okay. Remove this. We can do one thing. Okay. We can change the background color from this to this color. Okay. Okay, and change the color from this to this. Okay, good. Now it's looking good. You want padding. So suppose if you use a padding and you use 10 pixel, lot I think 5 pixel is enough, right? Oh, great. And you use border radius property. 5 pixel. Now it's look like a button, right? Okay, great. Okay, great. And we want one button here. And okay, suppose if you want space between the button, so you can give margin inline. Okay. Okay. So first I'm going to target mm, font width. Okay. Font width I'm going to increase to 7. Right. Now it's look like a button. And okay. Now I'm going to target footer. Okay, finally. Footer. So footer. Oh, we want this footer at we want space, right? So we need a margin top, margin top 10 pixel. Or 20 pixel. If you give 20 pixel or 30 pixel. I think 40 is good. 40 not good. Okay, 50 pixel. Lot. 45 is good. Right. Okay, good, 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 good. And we are going to change, we apply some increase font size of this to 10 pixel. 15 pixel is good enough. Okay. 15 pixel I'm going to. Yeah. Okay, and we need this button, right? Space between this button. So you use padding 15 pixel because if you use padding, not 15. 10 is enough, right? Padding. Okay, so margin you use margin in right? So suppose if you use margin inline and margin. Uh, okay, suppose if you give margin to all the side left, right? 20, right? So not okay. No, I'm going to give margin top. Okay, margin top 20 pixel. So we need to increase. Okay. I think it's not working, so we can do one thing. We can apply to this link. Okay. Email or email. We can apply. Mm, or email. What margin? Suppose if you give margin 20 pixel, right? Then you need to manage to 25 your footer, right? Now it's look pretty very good. We have successfully created very awesome page, right? Using we have applied CSS, right? It's looking very good, right? Using HTML, we just created a simple web page, right? But when we are going to apply CSS, so it look very beautiful, right? So the card now it's look very beautiful, right? We have good background, we have good image, right? We have good headings, we have applied some shadow. Okay, we can do one more thing. We can apply some hover property also on this social media link. Suppose if you uh, you can do like this. If social media someone hover change color to change color background color change to dark green. Okay, you can say right and color to black. For your understanding only, I'm just you can say right. Awesome. Great we have created. Okay, one more thing we can do. Transform translation on this folder we can apply. Suppose transform transform translate to y minus 5 pixel. You can say right. And is okay, wait down. Okay, so we have created a very good page, right? Okay, one more thing we can apply when we have to this main page. Suppose even you can change this to suppose someone who to the main. Okay, then it easy. Hmm, you can see right when you hover to this page, you can see the effect of translate is in is not. What is the property of is in? We can search on Google. Is out, is out. Okay, translate y and transition. Okay, we can use a transition property for this. Transition and right, or is out function we can use transition is in, is in out. So you can see right when you hover the page. Yeah, great. So we have created a very good web page, right? Using the CSS. So this is the power of CSS, right? So in so today's video, I have I had explained you very step by step how we can apply CSS to our HTML document. Okay, so this is our first project of CSS. We can say that. Okay, great. So if you're still watching my video at the end of this part, so congratulations, you are able to create a card using the HTML CSS. Okay, and if you find this video is very helpful to you, so like and subscribe my channel for more tutorial. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.